Alright, we are out on the farm. There's Maddie dog. Maybe. Maddie. Hi, baby. And then there's Sam.
Where is he at?
And Sam's gonna catch a chicken.
Little lilac bush over there.
There's Lukey Duke with Frankie. And there's Derek with the other two munchkins. Alright, Sam.
Right.
Where are we going?
See what I can do. Okay. Derek, do you want to stand right here? He knows. Not that one. You want to go that way? That's the one that
I think this is the best part.
We were going to be buddies. Maddie, get it. Damn it. We might not even had to chop the head off. The dog would have gotten it.
That one peers into my soul, Mom. That one knows me. Can we pick a different rooster?
It went that way.
Ah! Want me to get it?
Help me corner.
No, I can't. I like that rooster.
You like that one? Was that one your friend? It followed you, didn't it?
No, it just peered into my soul.
Oh.
Maybe if we get him under the porch, it'll be easier.
There's a duck. Pretty colors. Yes, there you go.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Come out through. There you go.
Go.
Get.
Isn't there a different rooster?
Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
Can you chase it into like the chicken pen?
We can try.
Why don't we get this one?
Make noise on this side so he'll come this way.
Hey, why don't we get this one? It's bigger.
Right in the middle. There. There he is. Oh, back in the middle.
He knows.
Make a lot of noise that way so he'll come this way. Get out of there. He's right in front of me. Alright. Get out of there.
Why don't we get that one?
He's going to the fair. Shit.
Run, little rooster!
Maddie, get him. Get him, May. Get the bird. Want to help me, Chris?
There it is. Right here. Right underneath the truck.
No.
It's over here now.
Do it the right way this time. Now we see them.
I think this one deserves to live. Look how smart it is.
Chase it to the chicken coop.
It deserves to live. What's special about that?
He's not purebred. Or he's chicken.
So, you're smart as rooster. Look at that. He knows. Don't go in the chicken coop.
Okay, he's right here.
The coop that was once my friend
This is too
now
funny.
my enemy.
Now it's just a matter of principle. I'm not going to lose.
Who's smarter?
Run, rooster!
She didn't care no more. Christopher, it'd be nice if you could help me.
What am I gonna do?
We gotta chase it to the chicken coop.
You gotta herd him with me.
There it goes. It's coming.
Son of a bitch. Grab it. Derek.
It's under the truck. Up front. Go, Sherry. Run toward it.
Okay, Sam. Push him out toward me. Come on. Yeah, there. Where is he?
You can't go that way.
Come on. He's in the corner.
He's in the corner.
Okay. You stand in front of the stairs.
Somebody block that end. Block that end. Derek, go to that side. Block that end so it doesn't come out the other end.
Oh, she got it. Nope.
Nope, she
Nope,
had
I
it.
didn't. Come here. Son of a bitch. He's on the porch.
Oh, get him.
Oh, good catch.
Yes, Sam. Enough.
And now it's being hung upside down.
Now I've had enough of that. He's actually angry with you now.
Man, I thought it was got away. I like that rooster.
Lucas,
What?
you're gonna cry.